common factors of two numbers are the factors that they share. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are factors of 12 because 12 can be divided by these numbers without leaving a remainder, or because 12 is in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 times tables. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30 are factors of 30 because 30 can be divided by these numbers without leaving a remainder, or because 30 is in these times tables. So the common factors of 12 and 30 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. That's because both 12 and 30 are in the 1, 2, 3 and 6 times tables, or because both 12 and 30 can be divided by these numbers without leaving a remainder. The highest common factor of two numbers is the largest number that can be divided into both numbers. So the highest common factor of 12 and 30 is 6, because that's the highest number or the highest times table that has both 12 and 30 as multiples. So let's find the common factors of 6 and 9. Remember, we can think about factors in pairs. So 1 times 6 is 6, which means that 1 and 6 are factors of 6, and 2 times 3 is 6, which means that 2 and 3 are also factors of 6. Now, for factors of 9, we have 1 times 9, so 1 and 9 are factors, because remember, 1 and the number itself will always be factors. Now 3 times 3 is also 9, and that means that 3 is also a factor of 9. So the common factors are 1 and 3. 6 and 9 are multiples of both 1 and 3. So we can say that 3 is the highest common factor of 6 and 9. Now let's find the common factors of 14 and 35. 1 and 14 are factors because 1 times 14 is 14, and 2 and 7 are also factors because 2 times 7 is 14. Now, for factors of 35, we have 1 and 35, and we also have 5 and 7 because 5 times 7 is 35. So the common factors are 1 and 7 is the highest common factor of 14 and 35. Now let's find the common factors of 27 and 36. So for our factors of 27, we can have 1 and 27. We can also have 3 and 9, because 3 times 9 is 27. For factors of 36, we have 1 and 36. We can also have 2 and 18, because 2 times 18 is 36, and we know that if we divide 36 by 2, we'll get 18. 3 and 12 are also factors, because 3 times 12 is 36. 4 and 9 are factors, because 4 times 9 is 36. And 6 is a factor as well, because 6 times 6 is 36. So the common factors, the factors of both numbers, are 1, 3 and 9. So 9 is the highest common factor of 27 and 36. 9 is the highest times table that has both 27 and 36 as multiples.